Okay, this video is going to show you how to change the weights of individual assignments. So for some reason, if I add an assignment, I click on plus, I add assignment, and I'm just going to call this test. Let's say that I make this a formative. For some reason, my formative just does straight points, which is fine because your categories are already weighted. If I go to summative, for some reason it adds this 70% weight to all of my summatives. And I am not sure why, because the categories, like I said, already weighted. So how do I get rid of that so that I don't have to remove weight every single time I enter? That's what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to X out of this. And under the grading tab over here, if you go over to categories, these are your categories, and it's the summative one that's giving me trouble. So I'm going to click on edit. And in the middle tab, my assignment defaults, you see that it's adding a 70 times weight to every assignment. So I'm going to remove that weight, click save. And now when I go to add an assignment and I type in test and I go to summative, now it looks like just all the others. I can put in all my summatives are 100 and it's not multiplying that assignment by 70.